The Pressent project is a collaboration between the Royal Press and designers. So letterpress is a relief printing process that was used to transfer information and to communicate. So when Johann Gutenberg invented it in the 15th century, his intention was to make books more accessible to people. So with this project, we would like to do the same, which is to introduce the stories of traditional letterpress printing to make people more aware of it in the relevance of today. So we will be delivering this message through everyday objects like clothing, accessories, and stationery. So we hope that people would also own this craft and is able to appreciate its beauty in a closer point of view.
So medicine labels were a large part of the Royal Press printing. This is one of the advertisements for medicine labels. So this is a medicated oil that used to relieve itching for different parts of body. So we apply the same concept to daily apparel such as hat and t-shirts. So the design is like a medicine patch with pockets. So we pack it like a medicine pack in old days.
In the old days of letterpress printing, a clip art template is a quick and convenient way for clients to obtain a logo or a visual for their products. So a selection of clip art have been taken from the Royal Press archive and printed onto these travel accessories.
Respect, okay? So this is called Kabar Bite Toad. It pays tribute to the Kuchengyet Pao. It's a monthly newspaper that ran in Melacca during 1950s. So this bag is designed in 6 pages fold. It's literally like a surat khabar fold. It's a note to the Kuchengyet Pao, which contains 6 pages each. So this 6 pages fold is made out of 3 compartments in A3 size that can hold your stuff. So apa khabar means how are you, and kabar baik means I'm fine. So it plays a Malay word for newspaper, surat khabar, by using the word khabar. So this bag is printed manually by using cylinder press. So you can see this is the block that we composed for this. So by using this tote bag, you are able to carry a good piece of news everywhere.
Bawah atas is inspired by the origin of the term uppercase and lowercase. Uppercase, which means capital letters, and lowercase is small letters. This term actually derived from how the metal type trays were placed. In the old days of letterpress printing, the capital letters are placed on higher shelf and the small letters were placed below. So literally uppercase and lowercase.
First, this one is a folder. We call it terbalik baik, and it's an upside down left to right, which means it's a golden rules for all the typesetters when we do the composing during back time. And it's also, there's a 4 strips you can see. It also links back to behind, which is the first line is called cap lines, the second line is min lines, and the base line and the descent lines. And this one is basically the typography's knowledge. Yeah. This one is an organizer. We call it Susun 89. Yeah. Why Susun 89? It's because when you open it up, you can see that there's 89 small boxes, which is the composed of the uppercase and lowercase in one tray, so people can easily do the typesetting back to the time. Yeah, and actually this one is small organizer. You can put your small belongings into each compartment.
The Royal Press in Melacca has printed various documents and covers. They had printed, like we can see it here, they have bank books, and also they printed for schools and private sectors like drawing blocks, notebooks, and mapping books. So we decided to celebrate this local memory, so distinctive in Malaysia, and to have it printed on a A3, A4, and name card holder. So we call this easy. So you can actually fill in papers or any notes that you want inside. So we call this like the holders for the past made for the present. Okay lah.
Okay lah, like that. Why?